This is my new Kobalt socket set. It is the SKU number is 022202. It's a 200 piece. I only spent $100 on it. It's has a 1/2 inch drivers, 3/8 drivers, 1/4 drivers, and has a lifetime warranty. Now, is the lifetime warranty worth it? I've heard no and yes, because I actually looked into it, and you have the lifetime warranty, but you also have to pay for your tools, in which is they're $4.98 or 82 cents or something like that. So in the end, it'd be cheaper to buy a whole new set, but I still want to register it as lifetime warranty. So now let me skip. Alright, this is the box that all the sockets come in. It's Kobalt, and we'll get it open. This is the lifetime warranty. Bada boom, bada bang. You get a Kobalt sticker. Nice. Get the foam. You get your Allen wrenches. Get your metric sockets. Really nice. You get your wrenches. You get your spark plug taker outers, your extensions, your metric still, and here's your standard wrenches. Here's your drivers, and yeah, you get all these bits over here. It's really nice. I really like it. Let me give you a sound test of the ratchet real quick. Sound test. See how fine-toothed that is? And then when you put it in the center, it spins freely. So that's awesome. Listen to these teeth. That's super fine. So do I think this set is worth it? Yes. A beginner mechanic set like mine, like me? Yes, 100% worth it. I'll give you guys another pan. I'm not going to go too much into detail about anything because I haven't used it myself. I just got it today. About to use it on this FZR right there, but yeah.